A superior display of power coupled with sporty elegance, the Mercedes-Benz Pagoda presented at the Geneva Motor Show in March 1963 caused a sensation not only among experts. The 230 SL was the world's first sports car with an innovative safety body. From 1967 to 1971, the further developed 280 SL came off the production line. The two-seater Roadster is launched with unique comfort, exceptional performance, and unprecedented driving safety for a sports car. Visually, the removable coupe roof designed by Paul Braque and arched inwards is reminiscent of the curved roofs of Asian temples, and the Pagoda was born. BRABUS is now reviving this legend with the unique 6-star restoration.
This channel OldBenz. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.